Welcome to HiveHub University Course 1.2, 5 Steps to a Conversation. This course will teach you how to open, engage, present, close, and rehash with confidence. By the end of this course, you will be able to introduce yourself and engage customers naturally. You will execute clear presentations and close appointments or sales with confidence and direction. Remember to learn, practice, and execute. Every deal begins with a conversation. A strong conversation earns attention before you present. Structure is important to keep you from rambling or sounding unsure. Clear talk creates clean opportunities. Before diving into the steps, consider how you make your message land. What communication strategies ensure your message is clear? Consider tone, eye contact, timing, confidence, and simplicity. The 5 steps to a conversation are introduction, short story, presentation, the close, and rehash. This is your conversation map. Following the order helps the customer understand what happens next. Step 1 is the introduction, your opening. Use one strong line or a short moment of chit-chat. The goal is to build rapport and show the customer you can be trusted. Open with trust. Step 2 is the short story. Briefly state who you are, who you represent, and what you aim to achieve. Keep it concise to build curiosity without losing attention. Get to the point. Step 3 is the presentation. Present the offer clearly and confidently. Promote the value using 3 simple reasons. Building interest without overwhelming the customer. Focus on value before details. Step 4 is the close. Ask for the appointment, commitment, or next step with confidence. Assume the customer is interested unless they say otherwise. Remember to ask for action. Step 5 is the rehash. Leave the customer on a positive note. Look for additional needs or future opportunities. Repeat steps 2 through 4 when appropriate. Always end strong. Focus on the S.E.E. factor in your introduction. Smile makes you approachable. Eye contact builds trust and confidence. And excitement gets people interested in listening. The first impression starts before the offer. Here's an example script for engaging the customer. Introduce yourself and your company simply, then offer a short story, like discussing a program that helps with better options and lower costs. Keep it simple and build curiosity. The 3 rules of the close are ABC, always be closing. Close with confidence, as hesitation weakens the offer. Finally, assume the sale by asking simple next step questions. Do not close the conversation too early. Rehash means finding the next opportunity. A customer in a buying mood might be open to another solution. Rehash by repeating steps 2 through 4 if appropriate, always leaving people friendly and respected. Everyone has another sale hidden. Practice the 5 steps using role-play until the flow is natural. Rep A introduces and uses the S.E.E. factor. Rep B provides a simple objection. Rep A then completes the path: short story, presentation, close, and rehash. This completes the course. To finish, ensure you can name the 5 steps, explain the S.E.E. factor, give a short story, demonstrate a close, and perform a rehash. The next course covers the money triangle and objection handling.